5 problems had been raised with respect to the superficial reading of Rashi, which was that he was responding to the question as to why Moshe needed to bring the matter of the Banot Tzlafchad to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, in favor of an alternative reading as to the focus of the commentary, and that was the use of the word mishpat in referring to this event. We argued that the Chumash word for conflict and court dispute is davar. Mishpat, on the other hand, refers to the resolution of that davar in the form of a court ruling. If that be the case, we question why Moshe needed to bring the mishpat, the court ruling that had been given to him previously, to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And to this, Rashi's answer was that Moshe suffered a memory lapse. The obvious question that needs addressing is how the Rabban Shel Yisrael, the lawgiver of Bnei Israel, should suffer a memory lapse, to which Rashi responds that it came as a result of his arrogance just after they had left Egypt. Hadavar asher yikshemekem tikru v'nelai, bring it to me. Rashi then goes on to offer a second option as to why Moshe suffered this memory loss, which was in the zechut of the Banot Tzlafchad, that the transmission of the laws of inheritance should be linked to them. This brought us to the need to apply the multiple options rule, the shortcomings of the first option, the shortcomings of the second option, and the advantage that the first option has over the second option, for which it becomes the default choice of Rashi. And finally, we responded to question number 4, namely the change in terminology from le'amer, used in the case involving the establishment of the laws of Pesach Sheni, to lehikatev, the distinction between the event and the actual recording of the event. This distinction was used to reinforce the position taken by Rashi that the first option for explaining Moshe's memory loss was less problematic from the standpoint of Pshuta Shel Mikra.